Hello. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add the main image of the article and images to the content. Let's start with the single article view. First, the main image, often used in article previews. To add it, click on the three dots in the upper right corner in the area of the main image. You can add a new image in two ways: upload from your drive or choose from a collection. You can add a new image by dragging it to the upload area or by clicking Browse and choosing from your files. Add an image from the library. Then click Add. Success! Our main image has changed. Now we will move on to adding an image to the body of the article. You could do this by clicking Image icon. You will be taken to the Images collection view, where you can choose from the images you already have uploaded or add new ones. There is a search and filters that will help you find the right images. Here you can find Adding a New Image button. You already know how to do that. Let's choose our image. When you are sure about your choices, click Done button. The image has been added to the content. After adding an image to the content, we can freely change its metadata. When we click on the drop-down menu, we can edit, for example, a title which is verified by Story Score. Remember to save your article when you are finished editing it. Thank you.